Okay, buckle up everybody, this is going to be an amazing test. Both devices are running with the Snapdragon 855. We're talking big major manufacturers here. We've got the Samsung S10 on the left, the LG G8 on the right, and I can see a bit of a lead there already taken by the S10 Plus, which is running with the Snapdragon 855. Now we're into the bloom test. Again, a very slight lead there by the S10. Nothing much to report. This could be actually like this neck and neck all the way to the end. We'll have to see what happens. Now the SQL lighted. Look at that. Did you see that? That was absolutely amazing. Oh, but look at the LG. That's slow. Let's just throw a clock up here to see how much slow this is. 8 seconds, 9 seconds. Oh dear, 9.8 seconds to run that SQL light test. That really has put the LG G8 out of the running. I mean, really, it's already 8-9 seconds behind. There's nothing really more we can say about this. So now the S10 has gone into the 16 thread test. Now the LG G8 is into the 16 thread test. The S10 is into the Unity test. Oh, look at how smooth that is. That is just so nice. I've been doing a few mid-range phones recently and they really do go through this Unity test much slower, and the LG G8 the same. Look how smooth that is. This is just so nice to see these flagship devices tackle this very complicated 3D landscape here. And as we can see now, as the S10 comes down to that closing castle scene, and also now it's finishing and it's going into the compression test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the LG G8 is now going to, and there it is, 1 minute and 32.7 seconds. Now, if this LG manages to finish anything under 140, it's amazing. It did, 1 minute and 38.9. So that's pretty good considering what happened in that SQL light test. Let's look at the numbers. Okay, so when we look at the numbers, clearly we can see that the S10 won overall with 1 minute 32.7 seconds. And you can see when you look at the CPU breakdown that there is an 8.5 seconds difference in the CPU time between the LG G8 and the S10 Plus. And we pretty much saw that was all down to that SQL light test. When you look at the GPU time though, look at this. Look at this. It took 31.7 seconds for the S10 to go through that Unity test, but only took 29 seconds for the LG G8. So it actually managed to claw back 2.7 seconds just through that GPU test. So that really is quite interesting. So if that SQL light test wasn't there, and this is only theoretical of course, if it wasn't there, but it is, then maybe the LG G8 would have won. Interesting. Okay, my name's Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.